पावर प्लांट क्वेश्चन आंसर में आपका स्वागत है। अगर आप बीओई या बॉयलर ऑपरेटर एग्जाम या इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो यह चैनल आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। What is slagging? Slagging is the phenomenon of deposition of molten ash over heating surface of tube. In a pulverized boiler, chance of slagging of superheater tubes is more. What are the main function of water wall? Water wall absorbs mostly radiation energy of combustion and hence, the combustion product is cooled down and convective zones are saved. What is buckstay? To limit the motion of water wall against the furnace pressure, a structural member called buckstay is placed against the furnace wall at the difference elevations. Buckstay allow thermal expansion of water wall. How is the free expansion of a furnace checked? Expansion markers are provided at suitable location to check thermal expansion. What is flame impingement? If flame tip touches the water wall, then it overheats the tube and the tube may fail. This phenomenon is called flame impingement. On what factors do the furnace depth, width, and height depend? Furnace depth depends upon the type of fuel used. It is selected suitably so that the flame tip does not touch the water wall. If flame tip touch the water wall, then it overheat the tube and the tube may fail. Furnace width depends upon the capacity of the boiler. Furnace height decided according to the furnace exit flue gas temperature requirement. More height of furnace, more is the furnace observation and less is furnace exit flue gas temperature. What is the characteristic of refractory? Refractory is a material which is not deformed or damaged when exposed to high temperature. Refractories are inorganic, non-metallic, porous and heterogeneous materials composed of thermally stable minerals, aggregates, a binder phase and additive. Refractory are oxide of silicon, aluminium, magnesium, calcium and zirconium. On what factor does the grade of refractory depend? Grade of refractory increase with the increases in alumina percentage. As refractory, super duty, 40 to 44% alumina, 49 to 53% silica. High duty, 35 to 40% alumina, 50 to 60% silica. Medium duty, 26 to 36% alumina, 60 to 70% silica. Low duty, 23 to 33% alumina, 60 to 70% silica. High alumina bricks with 50, 60, 70 and 80% alumina contents. What are the uses of mortar and castable? Mortar is a finely ground refractory material which become plastic when mixed with water. It is used irregular surface, a deformed shell to make the wall gas tight. Castable is a monolithic refractory. The cementing material is mostly alumina cement. When alumina cement and refractory aggregates are mixed with water, a concrete-like material called castable is formed. Why is the insulation of boiler done? To minimize the heat loss from the boiler outer surface to the surrounding atmosphere, insulation is required. Which insulation materials are used in a boiler? Insulating material are mostly used in boiler: insulation brick, insulating castable, ceramic fiber, calcium silicate, glass mineral wool, rock mineral wool, ceramic coating. Why is the capacity of ID fan more as compared to FD fan? The specific volume of flue gas is more at higher temperature. So, an ID fan handles more volume of gas as compared to FD fan. Also, the flue gas contains dust particles. So, the size of ID fan is normally higher than that of a FD fan. Its capacity is approximately 1.5 times higher than that of a FD fan. Why is draft required in a boiler? Pressure difference between the furnace, combustion product, and the outside cold air is called draft. Draft is required to Supply the required quantity of fresh air oxygen to the boiler for proper combustion, evacuate the combustion products from the combustion chamber, and exhaust the combustion products to the atmosphere. What is a balanced draft? Both FD and ID fan are used in balanced draft. Air is supplied to furnace with pressure through FD fan for combustion, and ID fan evacuates the combustion product from the furnace. Furnace pressure is maintained below atmospheric pressure. Which methods are applied for flow control of ID fan? Following methods are adopted to control the flow of an ID fan: variable speed hydraulic coupling scoop, damper control, variable frequency drive VFD, to speed electric motor, variable pitch blades, axial fan. What are the main constituents of flue gas? The constituents of flue gas are carbon dioxide, C plus O2 is equal to CO2 plus 8137 kilocalories per kg, 10% to 13% CO2 is present in the flue gas. Carbon monoxide, C plus half O2 is equal to CO plus 2452 kilocalories per kg. Presence of CO in flue gas indicate incomplete combustion. 200 ppm to 1000 ppm CO is found in the flue gas. Oxygen in flue gas is more, that means the boiler is operating at higher excess air region. This excess air is responsible for the drop in efficiency. It is normally 10% to 20% excess air or 2% to 4% oxygen. Nitrogen present in the fuel contributes in the formation of NOx. When it reacts with atmosphere moisture, it forms droplets of nitric acid which contribute in acid rain. Present in sulfur when burn sulphur oxides, SOx is formed. S plus O2 is equal to SO2 plus 2181 kilocalories per kg. To limit SOx emission, flue gas desulfurization FGD method is adopted. Water vapor. Flue gas contains water vapor due to the presence of moisture in fuel and due to burning of hydrogen present in fuel. In case of liquid fuel, volatile organic compounds VOC may present. Escape of VOC reduce the efficiency of a boiler. Particulates. Flue gas contains small particles of dust, soot and fumes known as suspended particulate matter SPM, ESP, and other dust collecting system reduce particle in the flue gas. Maximum permissible limit of SPM is 50 mg per nm cube after ESP. Very fine particulate matter of size less than 10 microns PM10 is known as respirable suspended particulate matter RSPM. It is very harmful as it goes inside human body with respiration. Its maximum permissible limit is 100 U per m cube. What is the permissible limit of SPM? Maximum permissible limit of suspended particulate matter SPM is 50 mg per nm cube after ESP. What is respirable suspended particulate matter RSPM? Very fine particulate matter of size less than 10 microns PM10 is known as respirable suspended particulate matter RSPM. It is very harmful as it goes inside human body with respiration. Its maximum permissible limit is 100 U per m cube. What is stoichiometric ratio? For the burning of fuel, oxygen is required. There is a theoretical requirement of oxygen for a particular quantity of fuel. The theoretical fuel-to-air ratio is called stoichiometric ratio. How does the formation of NOx and SOx take place? Nitrogen present in the fuel contributes in the formation of NOx. When it reacts with atmosphere moisture, it forms droplets of nitric acid which contribute in acid rain. Present in sulfur when burn sulphur oxides, SOx is formed. S plus O2 is equal to SO2 plus 2181 kilocalories per kg. To limit SOx emission, flue gas desulfurization FGD method is adopted. What are particulates and how can these be separated? Flue gas contains small particles of dust, soot and fumes known as suspended particulate matter (SPM). ESP and other dust collecting system reduced particulates in the flue gas. What are the main function of chimney? Chimney is a structure for venting hot flue gas from boiler to the outside atmosphere at a suitable height to ensure the pollutant are dispersed over a wider area to meet legislation or safety requirement. It also helps in creating natural draft in the boiler. दोस्तों, अगर आपको कोई टॉपिक चाहिए या कोई खास सवाल सीरीज चाहिए तो मुझे कमेंट में जरूर बताएं। मैं अगला वीडियो उसी पर बनाऊंगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।